How to buy Trump coin token. Now this token came under the symbol of Trump. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 1 month ago, as you can see. Now, the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's mere investment in safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, it is simple. Copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Binance Smart Chain. Now, open Smart Chain Network. Now, open your wallet. For that, I will use the WEEX wallet. Now, log into your wallet first, as you can see. Now, after that, what you need to do, select the BNB chain as a network first. Now, click here on this plus icon and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, as you can see here, and scroll down until you find your token that's called Trump, as you can see. Now click on it and click here on swap. Switch from here, from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure of course that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here, as you can see, in a while you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is enough. That's it. Click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Trump token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.